Good parking, but you're turning too much on the right hand side.
Okay.
Pull up on the left when you're safe to park. Good parking, but you're turning too much on the right hand side.
Okay.
So when you're going near to the curb, you can see how much you need to turn. The curb will tell you. So you turn little. So if you turn little, it will be nicely parked. Rather than if you're turning too much, if you're turning too much to the right quickly, then you're already out. Then you have to fix it again. So what I was trying to suggest that turn slowly to the right as you're going, because you are pushing slowly anyway, and it will be nicely parked up.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Move when you're ready.